So what's up guys, welcome back to PSF2 Gamer. So in this video we are gonna rank some OP Blogs.io YouTubers. So let's begin this video. So first up we have Blogs.myham. So he is especially good for Bed Wars. He's god in Bed Wars. Means we are saying the YouTube thing, okay, not PvP. We will do that another part. So today's YouTube theme. So he's very good. S or A. Comparative to other YouTubers, he should be in S. The first one in S, bro. The first is first in S. Bro, Sudi should be A or S because he's not better than Blogs.myham, but he's good in making videos, so he's also S, I think so. So here is Blogsman. So Blogsman is not good in PvP. He makes good videos, and he's not good in that player type of thing, but I don't know that much, but I think he should be in A because he makes good videos. He makes good videos and he's good in all the things, and yeah, he's good, but let's put in B, or we can change to it. Yo, it's complicated, we will do afterwards. So here we have JTK Dark King. So this is he's a good player, PvP player, parkour, but he's good in making videos too, but not comparing like them. So it should be, I think so, in B because he makes better videos than him. He puts some music and all informative videos. He is good in PvP, but we are seeing the video thing, not that ability thing, right? That's why. So he's good in ability, good in making videos, so he will be in A because good in making videos. We're seeing the videos. Stormer YT. Okay, this is Blogs.io Guru. So here is Stormer YT. So Stormer YT is a good creator, short creator, not like them. Short creating of his is good. Thumbnail is good. I think I should put him in. Don't think that he's bad. He's good, but he can't be put in this. B. He should go to C, I think so. Not at least D. Joha has good videos with music and his ability is also good. He should be good. So here is Panda. He's good in making all the games. Means he's good in making videos. He's good in PvP also. He should be in B, I think so, because his video is good. But can't compete them, I think so. But he's good, very good. He should be in S. He should be in S, yeah. He has more subs than him, not humans. But yeah, okay, someone came in. So if we see, okay, let's go to this first. So if we see Crazy9, he has good stuffs like good gameplay, but his video is also good, but not that interesting type of thing. So sorry about D, because you can't compete Stormer YT. Okay, so try to improve. So you also can't compare Stormer YT, by the way. But let's see where we should put, because you are not that gamer kind of thing. You make good shots, little bit, means videos are good. C, he should be in C, I think so. B, I think so. This should be, I think so. Now let's put according the same tile, but according to the there is three. So who is the best will be put in the first. So if it is the video kind of thing, Suri will be at the first. Then will be the Blockstar Mayhem. Then there will be him. Okay, here if we are talking about videos, he will be at first. Second will be him. Then Blockstar Guru. In this two, they are almost same. So we'll keep like that only. He's the only one here. Okay. He's better. Someone is better. I'm confused. C or D? Tell in the comments. For now, I'm giving in D. Means if you feel like this tire is not that good, means not according to you, you can change this tire according to you, and means you can tell in the comments that how should I change it, means who, if it should be here, or it should be in here, or it should be here, or it should be here, it should be here, or it should be here, like this. Okay, so you can tell. So this is for the video entertainment purpose theme tire list. So see you in the next video with PvP tire list. So till then, peace out.